Welcome to Cyber Strategix. Today we're diving into the world of application security, focusing on static application security testing, or SAST. Imagine SAST as a meticulous editor for your code. It's a white box testing method that scans your source code or binary files before your application is even compiled. By identifying vulnerabilities like school injection, cross-site scripting, and buffer overflows early, SAST acts as a preventive measure. Integrated early in the software development lifecycle, it allows developers to catch and fix issues before they reach production, saving both time and resources. Now let's shift our focus to dynamic application security testing, or DAST. Unlike SAST, DAST is a black box testing method. It examines applications while they are running, simulating real-world attacks to uncover vulnerabilities in the application's runtime environment. This approach is crucial for identifying issues that only surface when the application is active, such as authentication problems, configuration errors, and data exposure. By testing the application in its operational state, DAST provides insights into how the application behaves under attack, offering a different layer of security analysis. So how do SAST and DAST differ? SAST is all about code quality, finding vulnerabilities early in the development process. It's like having a safety net during coding. On the other hand, DAST tests the application's behavior in real-world scenarios, identifying issues that might have slipped through during development. Both methods are complementary, creating a more robust security posture. While SAST helps developers prevent vulnerabilities during coding, DAST assists security teams in identifying issues by probing the application in real time, ensuring a comprehensive security strategy. For optimal results, it's essential to integrate SAST into your continuous integration and continuous deployment, or CI/CD pipeline. This integration helps catch vulnerabilities early in the development cycle. Meanwhile, using DAST regularly on staging environments allows you to simulate real-world attacks before deploying updates. This layered approach ensures that vulnerabilities are addressed at multiple stages, maximizing your application's security. By combining these methods, you create a proactive and reactive defense strategy, safeguarding your applications from potential threats and ensuring a secure user experience. When it comes to tools, there are several popular options to consider. For SAST, tools like SonarQube, Checkmarx, and Fortify are widely used. These tools offer comprehensive scanning capabilities, helping developers identify and fix vulnerabilities efficiently. On the DAST side, OWASP Zap, Burp Suite, and AppSpider are leading choices. These tools simulate attacks on running applications, providing valuable insights into potential security weaknesses. It's important to evaluate these tools based on your team's specific needs and development stack to ensure the best fit for your security strategy. Remember, both SAST and DAST are powerful weapons in your security arsenal. By using them together, you provide a comprehensive defense for your applications. SAST helps prevent vulnerabilities during the coding phase, while DAST identifies issues in the application's runtime environment. This dual approach ensures that your applications are secure from development to deployment. If you found this video helpful, be sure to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell for more cybersecurity tips from Cyber Strategix. Stay secure, stay smart, and keep your applications safe with the right security measures in place. Cyber Strategix is here to guide you every step of the way.